Here's why giant pandas are basically the most unbreakable animals on Earth. They can fall from a tree several meters high, and while a human would be screaming or posting about it online, pandas just get up and walk it off. Their skin is super thick, around 5 millimeters, and up to 1 centimeter on the back. It's like carrying a built-in mattress everywhere. Add that with 10 centimeters of fluffy fur, and every fall feels like landing on a 5-star hotel bed. And their bones, not fragile like ours, they're dense, heavy, almost like iron. But the best part, panda moms actually let their babies fall, on purpose. It's their way of saying, "Go on kid, pain builds character." For pandas, falling isn't an accident, it's part of the curriculum.